Hello everyone, this is Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to explore a topic that's been a forefront of the manufacturing sector, the integration of artificial intelligence or AI. Now, you may wonder why AI is such a hot topic right now. The reason is simple. AI is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry in incredible ways, enhancing productivity, improving efficiency, and opening up new vistas of opportunities. But how does it work? What are its benefits and challenges? And how can you implement in your own manufacturing process? Well, that's exactly what we are going to discuss today. So let's dive right in.
1. Understanding the concept of AI in manufacturing. AI, in the context of manufacturing, is the use of machines and computer systems which can mimic human intelligence. It involves using machine learning, deep learning, and other technologies to automate processes, make intelligent decisions, and improve efficiency. 2. The emergence of AI in modern manufacturing industry. AI has been a game changer in the manufacturing industry. It has enabled automatic detection of defects, predictive maintenance, and efficient supply chain management, leading to significant cost savings and improved quality of products. 3. How AI is transforming the manufacturing sector. The impact of AI in manufacturing is profound. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about equipping machines with the ability to learn, adapt, and make predictions. This results in reduced downtime, increased efficiency, and ultimately, a boost in profitability. 4. Key benefits of integrating AI into manufacturing. By integrating AI, manufacturers can predict when a machine is likely to fail, automate tedious tasks, and even improve the design of their products. It's truly a win-win situation for manufacturers. 5. Role of AI in enhancing productivity in manufacturing. AI enhances productivity by streamlining processes, reducing errors, and speeding up production times. This allows manufacturers to scale their operations and meet increasing demand more effectively. 6. Case studies. Successful implementation of AI in manufacturing. There are numerous examples of how companies have successfully implemented AI. From large corporations like Toyota and Boeing to small startups, the use of AI has resulted in significant improvements in efficiency and productivity. 7. Potential issues and challenges in implementing AI in manufacturing. Despite the many benefits, implementing AI is not without its challenges. It requires significant investment and skilled personnel. And there are also concerns about job displacement and data privacy. 8. Key players in AI for manufacturing, companies leading the way. Several companies are leading the way in AI for manufacturing. These include tech giants like IBM and Google, as well as smaller startups that are pioneering new AI technologies. 9. Steps to implement AI in your manufacturing process. Implementing AI in your manufacturing process is a significant undertaking. It involves understanding the technology, identifying suitable applications, investing in the necessary infrastructure, and training your staff. I hope this discussion has given you a deeper understanding of the transformative impact of AI on the manufacturing industry. It's an exciting time to be in manufacturing, and I encourage you to explore how AI can help your business thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more insightful discussions. This is Thamizharasu, your business coach, signing off. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.